With this secret, the meat will melt in your mouth like butter. Here we have 1 kilogram of beef. I'll start by cutting it into pieces. I'm going to cut it into slightly thicker steaks, keeping a good thickness. Then, I cut the steaks into smaller pieces, as I'm showing here. We're about to prepare delicious meat, perfect for lunch or dinner. It has an incredible flavor, very juicy and full of aroma. A different way to prepare beef for everyday meals. And the best part? You can make all of this right in your kitchen. With just a few ingredients, the result is tender and juicy meat. And super juicy, ideal to serve with rice or mashed potatoes. I've already cut all the meat, making the pieces nice and uniform. Now let's move on to the next step, frying the meat. I start by adding 150 grams of butter into the pot. I'm going to melt this butter over medium heat. We're cooking the meat directly in butter, which enhances the flavor. Now I'm going to add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. Let the oil heat well, mixed with the butter. Now we add the already cut meat. Let the meat fry well without stirring it much at the beginning. Look at how wonderful this meat looks while cooking. In butter, it gains an irresistible texture and flavor. Let it fry well until a golden crust forms. I've already fried all the meat until it was nicely seared. I remove it from the pot and set it aside to use later. Then, I'm going to add 2 large onions, thinly sliced so they become nice and soft during cooking, and also 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. They will enhance the flavor of our recipe even more. Sauté the garlic together with the onion until they're lightly golden. This base adds an incredible aroma to our meat. Now I return the meat to the pot along with the onion and garlic. And now we start seasoning with the main ingredients. First, I'll add salt to taste. Then, a bit of sweet paprika. This will add color and a mild smoky flavor. A pinch of black pepper to balance the seasonings. Next, 1 tablespoon of mustard. It brings a slightly tangy and very special touch. It's truly delicious. Now I add 40 milliliters of soy sauce. Mix everything very well to coat all the meat. This sauce will make the meat even more flavorful. The aroma is already spreading all over the kitchen. I've already mixed all the ingredients well. Now I add 100 milliliters of water. Cover the pot and let it cook for 3 minutes. Look at how our meat is coming along. Let it cook that long so the flavor intensifies. Now I take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I mix it with a little bit of water until fully dissolved. Mix well to avoid any lumps. This helps lightly thicken the sauce. And now, I add this mixture directly into the pot. I'm also going to add a bit of chopped parsley. It brings freshness and completes the flavor of the meat. Mix everything once again, incorporating the ingredients well. Now just let it cook for 2 more minutes. This ensures the sauce becomes thick and shiny. The meat is now completely ready, well cooked. Now just turn off the heat and serve. Meat is ready. Look at how wonderful it turned out.